So I chose advanced manufacturing because I'm into the tech side of things. I like all the computerized stuff. And I also like how I felt like I could expand on this. If I wanted to further my education, it was easy. So like if a new machine came out or something, I'd be able to go and get an education for that and then improve my job.
I graduated from Whittier in 2001 from what was called machine tool technology. Then it's now called advanced manufacturing. I went straight from high school to out to the trade and started working full time, and made a really good living doing that, and it allowed me to buy all the things that I like, have my house and stuff, and provide for my family. So teaching these programs is kind of like I feel like giving back to that same system that provided me everything that I've had that has allowed me to enjoy life up to this point.
So here at CTI, we have our career coach. They help us out with our resume, and they also go with us to tour potential job sites, potential work opportunities. And that helps a lot, give us firsthand insight into what it feels like to work in these shops. So my advice to a student joining the CTI program is to get as much as they can out of it. It's a really good program and it offers a lot, but you have to put up the work and be there to get the most out of it.